Hi everyone. So today let's talk about how you can use the freezer compartment on the higher fridge. So I've got my fridge right here. Okay, this is what it looks like. I really like this fridge. It's a good company and this model is also pretty nice. It's E-Star. Anyways, so below the below section you see is of the refrigerator. You will see all the items that are typically kept in the fridge. Okay, and if I close this and I try to open the one that's above, this is usually going to be the freezer. And in most cases, in most fridges, the upper compartment will always be the freezer. So how to use it, you just going to open it and you can see you got ice creams and stuff. So anything that you want frozen, you're going to keep it here. Make sure not to keep any ice creams or anything on the below compartment, which is the fridge, because they won't freeze up. They would rather melt. And yeah, any kind of frozen foods, your ice cubes, everything is going to be placed right here. You won't find the temperature adjuster here because that is going to be in the refrigerator section. Okay, this is what the entire freezer compartment looks like, and that is basically how you use it. Okay, and whenever you're done, you can always just close the freezer, and that'll be it. Now it has successfully closed. That is the fridge. That is the freezer. Okay. So in case you have any questions, feel free to write it down in the comments. But I think this should be pretty straightforward for everyone, and it should pretty much apply to everyone's freezer. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.